Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Look at this. Oh, beautiful stuff. It's so creamy and you still got loads of moisture in it, as you can see. Beautiful soap. This on the scent. Oh, the scent. I'll just pop it out with it. I don't care, it's good. It's just absolutely amazing. I mean, look at that stuff. Look, peaks, everything. Beautiful stuff. And today is Et Tu. I don't know how you actually say it. From Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, or PAA. And this is scented after Brut. Brut Aftershave Splash. And as I can tell you, it is pretty darn close. Oh, it's such a good scent. Brut is something I've always really enjoyed, and you get a nice soap like this that's scented. I've got another one actually from Extra called The End, and that is as close as you're going to get. Probably a little closer than this is to the real thing, but it ain't far off it. But oh, just fresh, the powdery fougere smell. Beautiful stuff. Yeah, absolutely love it. I'm using my the Starcraft brush from PAA, as well as PAA. I just noticed PAA everything. PAA sort of is a PAA handle, the metaphor handle, but I've got an Edwin Jagger D89 head, and I think that looks actually pretty darn good with that, and I might stick with that. And blade in there is a Gillette silver blue. So I hope you're doing okay, having some good shaves and purchasing some nice shaving stuff, because I know you have been naughty people. So without further ado, let's get into the first pass. Okay, into the first pass. Oh, this is beautiful stuff. Now I've got this in the original sort of CK1. I've got it upside down, dripping the water off at the minute, but this is not a CK6, but as you can see, that is stunning stuff. So first pass. Very nice. Nice, slick, smooth soap, this, and obviously the head. We've used Edwin Jagger D89. It's about, I would say, between a mild and a medium aggression, which is just about where I like it. I like mild, but it needs to have some efficiency with it, and I think that's where the Edwin Jagger really stands up for itself. I know that's what I like. The mild feel, yet it needs to do its job. Oh, the room is full of this beautiful scent. If there's any of you out there that's tried this, it's the first time using this soap, and I would say not the actual PAA or this sort of CK1, but this particular with the scent. And I will say this is going to be one of my favourites. This, I would say, Raby Banana would probably be my top two right now from PAA. I believe Raby Banana is seasonal, but I'm not too sure. I believe it is. So if that comes out again this year, 2023, I will partaken at a couple of tubs of that to make sure I've got some, because I use that a fair bit, to be fair, and probably more than most. Yeah, like I use it a lot off camera shaves and stuff. I love this handle. I might get some of the tips, different colour tips, so I can sort of colour coordinate the videos. You know, I can have I don't know, rabbit banana, put a yellow one on, something like that. You know, just to make it a bit more interesting for yourselves and myself. So first pass, it's excellent. Like that, the scent is just continuing to build, and I've washed my face twice there and there's still a lot of slickness on the skin, so fantastic soap. Lather up for the second pass. So if you've not tried this soap and you've seen it, you didn't really know what it was, from PAA, it is Brut. And I may be wrong, but I haven't seen any wet shavers, or men in general, actually don't like the scent of Brut. I think it's a sort of a refreshing, male, powdery, masculine scent that most men like. So let's go on to my second and final pass. Second and final pass. So as you can see, lately I've been using a mix of all sorts. I would say in my den, when it comes to soaps, the most soaps I've got from brands is probably PAA and Sterling. Well, I do feel like getting some more hags, but there's so many still from PAA that I want to try, and they're always quite seasonal ones which disappear within a few months, and you know, and the new stuff popping up, it's crazy to try and keep up. I mean, I don't keep up if I miss something, because I just haven't got the funds free, or I just missed the season soap for some reason. That's fine, I'll wait till the next one, and I don't have to buy everything I could. Although it feels like you do, because you just want to enjoy everything from a house that you enjoy. I enjoy PAA, as well as others, but it's the one I would say I enjoy the most. And the ones I tend to buy the Aftershave splashes from as well, which I don't normally from any others so much. Really do like this handle, very grippy. Reminds me of an old sort of Gillette Fat Boy, or a slim twisty kind of feel to it. It even looks like a Fat Boy handle a little bit, and I really enjoy that. It's so grippy, it's unreal. And being stainless steel as well. So in theory it should last. Well, I like the prismatic and the head. I think I prefer the head and jagger, just because it's a little bit, it's not quite as mild and it's more efficient, but it's still quite mild on the skin. But this soap, incredible. This is even the CK6, which is, I will admit, is easier to lather and a little bit slicker. It feels more like a tallow soap on the skin, as this feels slick and everything else. It doesn't feel like a tallow soap, but it performs like one. The CK6 feels like a tallow soap without being one. And even though I own some sterling, I do prefer vegan soaps overall. So really good stuff. Wow, that is super slick, and I've got absolutely everything in 2 passes. That is a good combination. That razor head, that razor handle, and that just clicks perfectly. So, pulled out the rest of the leather. I'm going to have a fantastic, oh, it's like silk, beautiful stuff. Oh, a nice face wash with this, and I'll come back from the post shave. Let me tell you something, that is one of the best shaves I've had. That is simply amazing. Any of the I've washed it off. I mean, you could walk away and you'll have a hint of that Brut on your hand. Oh, very nice, but we're not going to stop there, of course, because I've got the splash. So very nice. Just, yeah, perfect, lovely and hydrated, but not over so. Good stuff. Got the restrictor in this still. Oh yes, plenty on the face. Oh, a bit of a sting. Not loads, but just nice. Oh, that is, yeah, it's a bit of alcohol, but it's pretty much, yeah, it's pretty much gone now. And well, that's my first time using the soap. It's not my first time having a splash of the aftershave, and I can tell you that this lasts about 6 hours on the skin. Where, excuse me, where you can easily smell it. I don't think there's any menthol in this. Oh, beautiful stuff, absolutely beautiful. Is there any menthol? No. It is a proper aftershave splash, which has got glycerin, aloe vera, liquid silk, whatever else. It isn't just alcohol and fragrance. But it's got a little, when you first put it on, it's got like a peachy vibe to it, just a little bit. But as it dries down, it gets straight into that masculine Brut smell. Very nice. So that was my shave. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Head and jagger head. This is probably how it's going to stay, to be honest. The head and jagger head's just perfect for me with the PAA handle. But as I say, I might get some more colours. We'll see. But real good. Razor, Gillette silver blue blade. The now washed out Starcraft from PAA. Fantastic brush, 24mm. I like 24. Anything a bit smaller or a bit bigger, not so much. 24 is my go-to size. And of course, start of the show, including of course the aftershave, is this Brut scented soap and aftershave from PAA. Brilliant, brilliant. I mean, this is the CK1. You can see how good that leather was. Beautiful stuff. And as I said, aftershave splash. Beautiful. Really, really good stuff. If you like Brut, you're going to enjoy that little combo right there. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Do appreciate it as always. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. It really helped me out. And I'll see you again soon on the next one.